name is Waldo. I know y'all niggas is wondering where I'm at, but right now I'm here with Taste of Sounds, feel me, for R&B night. You already know what the fuck going on. You know where Waldo at? He right here. Yeah. My name, say my, yeah. With Waldo at production, you know what the fuck going on. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Yeah. And the thing you saved me yesterday. And I'm doing the thing. Not me. I'm acting strange. There's no holding you back from me. Tell me who. Say my name. Say my name. Where's Waldo, nigga? Yeah. Where's Waldo? Yeah. On my phone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you.
I ain't getting to the.
Thank you.
Zach.
Thank you.
That's where this nigga been at?